So we did ask her what she was most excited about for Disney World, and she's really excited to see Mickey and Minnie. And she said right as she gets there, she's gonna give them a big hug and a kiss.
This helps bring hope and joy and enthusiasm back to a family that has lost so much as they've gone through sometimes years of treatment.
All right, thank you everyone. I'm Karina's mom, Khloe. Karina is 3 years old, and just about a year ago, from this last week actually, she was diagnosed with severe aplastic anemia. It's a really rare blood disorder, bone marrow failure.
In the beginning, it was definitely like a lot of roller coasters of emotions, and we just told each other, we're like, as long as one of us is emotionally stable at a time, keeping it strong for her. And yeah, she's very just calm. Like they always call her in the hospital a unicorn child. Like she truly is just like such an angel and so sweet all the time.
Karina kind of steals the show. From the second that Wish family walks through the door, the school just kind of instantly falls in love with them. It really is something special. There's something just magical about Wish Week that brings the whole community together.
Yeah, this organization, Make-A-Wish, has just been amazing through all of this. And it's not just, the one wish, even though it's amazing that we look forward to, but they also have other events throughout the year too that we've gone to. She got to go to the Nutcracker and love that.
Make-A-Wish has an incredible mission to grant the wish of every eligible child in Colorado that has a critical illness like Karina's. So things like this that bring the community together are one of the most incredible ways that you can get involved.
Yeah, it's definitely it's so great how we get to create her wish and be able to make her go to Disney World, but we also are creating 4 or 5 other kids' wish with the money that we raise.
My first response was she might be a little shy or overwhelmed by it all, but Elizabeth High School has been amazing through it too, and we came here last week and she got to meet everyone putting it together, and they played tag, and she really warmed up to everyone and has been so excited for this week too.
We have so many events and so many things. It's so easy to donate, and just $1 helps so much. We also have a website on our Instagram. It's in our link at the top of the bio to where they can donate just on their phone through it. EHS_Wish Week.